In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in just 3 minutes using Hostinger. Let's get started and simplify the entire process for you. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on that to begin your website creation journey. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a hosting plan. You'll see a few different options, but don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick. Generally, the recommendations provided are a good starting point. For this tutorial, choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, you will have to decide on the length of your plan, so choose the monthly option that works for you and your budget. Now, you'll be directed to a page where you're required to fill in your billing address details. Make sure to carefully enter all the necessary information. This ensures that your account remains up to date, and it helps simplify future transactions. After you've done that, it's time to choose your payment method. Hostinger offers several options, so pick the one that's most convenient for you. Once your payment details are all set, click Submit Payment to proceed. This will take you to a confirmation page. Things are moving along great. Now you'll want to check out your H-Panel. This is where you can manage your website and hosting services. Click on the option to explore what Hostinger's H-Panel has to offer. With H-Panel open, you'll need to answer a few questions regarding who this website is for, such as for personal use, business, or another entity. Choose the option that best aligns with your intentions for the website. You'll also need to decide whether you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one. Each option has its benefits, so choose according to your project's needs. Following that, consider where you would like to build your website. Hostinger supports various platforms, allowing you to select whichever suits your style and requirements best. Then, it's time to pick a domain. Your domain is essentially your website's address on the internet, so go ahead and choose one that represents your brand or personal aesthetic. After selecting your domain, click Next to proceed. At this stage, Hostinger offers AI tools to help you customize your site. You can tailor the design, change colors, adjust text, and add elements using these tools. Take advantage of this to create a unique and visually appealing site. Once you're satisfied, ensure your website is connected to the domain you've selected. Follow the prompts to link the two appropriately. With those steps complete, click Next Step and then hit Continue to finalize your setup. Congratulations, you've successfully launched your website in just a few minutes. Explore around and enjoy the process of building and tailoring your digital presence. Thank you for following along and happy site building.